In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a checkbox in Figma in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Figma, this guide will help you create a simple yet effective checkbox design, perfect for user interfaces. Let's start off by heading over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you're already familiar with Figma, you know it's a versatile platform, perfect for creating UI components, and if you're new, don't worry, Figma is quite user-friendly. Once you're on Figma's homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login. Make sure you have your account credentials ready, or sign up if you haven't created an account yet. Logging in will guide you to the Figma homepage where your design journey begins. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. From here, navigate to the Design section. This is where all your creative magic happens. In the Design section, you'll be able to access the canvas and tools you'll need to design your checkbox. Now let's move on to selecting a shape which will form the base of your checkbox. In Figma, shapes are essential building blocks for any design. Click on the Shape tool located in the toolbar. You might be tempted to use a circle or ellipse, but for a typical checkbox, a square shape often works best. Once you select the square shape, draw it onto your canvas by clicking and dragging. You can create a perfect square by holding down the Shift key as you drag, keeping your shape proportions equal. Now that you have a square on your canvas, it's time to create the box that will act as your checkbox. You can do this by adjusting the square dimensions to fit your design needs, ensuring it's neither too large nor too small compared to other elements in your user interface. Next, locate the pen tool in the toolbar. The pen tool will allow you to draw a check mark inside your checkbox. Click on the pen tool and then draw a check mark within the confines of your square. This part can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with vector paths, but with a steady hand or a few practice runs you'll be able to draw a neat check mark in no time. Finally, adjust the stroke thickness and color of both your box and check mark to suit your preferences or design guidelines. You can play around with different styles. A thin stroke might give a sleek, minimalist look, while a thicker outline can offer more definition. And there you have it, a custom designed checkbox ready to be used in your Figma projects. With practice, you'll be able to create a variety of checkboxes tailored to match the aesthetics and functionality of different interfaces. Happy designing!